Hi everyone. Great job on week 1 discussions. I just wanted to launch us for week 2 and give you some information that I think will be useful and helpful. This week we're going to be talking about professional development, and if we go into the weekly materials, there's a few things I want to point out to you. So you have your learning outcomes, your presentations, and your readings, but you also have some important guide here on completing your first capstone blog for week 2. So I want to talk a little bit about that. Notice that I'm asking you to post it in 2 different places. One is the assignment link and the other is the project blog. So if we go over here to the left menu tab, you'll see the assignment link, and then here is the capstone project blogs. So you're essentially posting the same thing twice. You're just posting it in 2 different areas. First, I'm going to take you to the assignment link, which is where you'll find the guidelines, and these are important for you to take a look at. Notice all of your assignments are here, and I've loaded these up so that they say capstone project blog week 2, week 4, etc., because these are bi-weekly. It's very important that you take a look at the capstone project blog guidelines, and I'm going to pull them up here for a minute. So it's important for you to read the guidelines and to follow the format. Every blog that you write should have this format: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and you need to address all of these topics in each and every one of the blogs that you write. The purpose of this blog is to help guide you and be able to visualize and see in real time the progression of your project. So it's important that you address this on a bi-weekly basis and that you pay attention to all of the requirements. Part of your grade will also be based on your participation and your peer responses to your classmates, and you will also find that you will learn from them as they evolve in their projects as well. So as I said, you're going to post it to the assignment link, which is here, as well as to the capstone project blog link. I'm going to click on the assignment link here, and you'll notice that you can also open up the rubric, and it basically tells you exactly what is in the format, but it tells you what's excellent, good, satisfactory. So please take time to read through this rubric before you post your blog. Remember, you're going to post it in 2 places. So I'm going to take you to the second place that you're going to post it, which is this link here, the capstone project blogs. And the purpose of this is so that you can see what your classmates are doing and what you are talking about. You'll see that there are instructions here about what you need to do, and you just click on this create blog entry and you will be able to enter the information. Remember, you're posting the same thing in 2 different places. The reason I have you posting it to the assignment link is so that I can grade it, but I also want you to post it to this class capstone project blog site so that you can learn from each other. So that's an important part of this particular assignment. Let's go back to week 2 and let's take a look at what's the discussion board assignment for this week. And you will see that it asks you to take a look at your philosophy of nursing. Now later on in the semester, week 12, you're going to put together a professional development assignment which will include a philosophy of nursing. So here's your opportunity in week 2 to write your first draft of a philosophy, share it with your classmates, share it with me on the discussion board, and get feedback from everybody. And remember, when you're giving feedback, use the 2+2 guide: 2 compliments, 2 critiques, so that people can learn from. And if you want some guidelines as to what to look for, look in the assignment section or the course review site for the peer review guide. Let's take a look and make sure it's posted there for you to use. What should be included? You don't have to use this form. It's just a guideline so that you know what to look for in the peer review guideline. Let me just see. Don't see it here. So let me take a look and see if it's posted in the assignment site, and if not, I will post it by this evening so that you will have it for you. Okay, I don't see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here in this folder that says assignment and blog rubrics, and I'll also add the peer review rubric, not for you to use, but to just have as a guide for when you're giving feedback to your classmates. So that's pretty much the information that I wanted to share with you this week. I'm looking forward to reading your week 2 assignments, your philosophy, and to reading your first blogs. If you have not already set up an appointment with me to talk about your capstone project, then you need to do that. There's a Google link on the announcement page. Please set up a time that I can speak with you for about 30 minutes, no more than that. And I also need you to send me, if you have not already, your signed preceptor agreement, the RN license number of your preceptor if they are an RN, and a short resume or a brief biographical paragraph describing your preceptor's education and their current role. If they're not an RN, I still need this brief resume or biographical paragraph. Also, remember that you must send me your proposed schedule and your idea that you're beginning to flesh out. And if you look at the assignments and you look for your capstone guidelines, it gives you some information that will be useful in getting started. So please take care of those things, and I look forward to talking with you and working with you over the next few weeks.